everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a cleaning slash preparation video of my kitchen getting ready for fall. We have a lot of things coming in right now because of harvesting, so a lot of things are coming in from the garden and the flower beds, so there's like chaos in the kitchen, but I wanted to get it prepped for the fall, meaning I wanted to give it a good clean up and wipe down, such as the windows, the ceiling fans, the oven, all of that jazz, because you know what happens in the fall. We do a lot of cooking and a lot of baking, and here in Michigan I can't get outdoors and give my windows a deep clean, so I figured this would be the best time, late summer, to do it. So I'm gonna have you follow along with me and let's get ready to get this kitchen ready for the fall. Oh, one more thing. I am getting a new refrigerator, and if you have been purchasing any appliances during COVID, you know that there's been huge delays in delivery and whatnot and purchasing of home appliances. So we are actually waiting patiently for a new refrigerator. So I want to kind of give that area a good cleaning before the old refrigerator goes away and the new comes in. If you're interested in seeing my new refrigerator that we will be getting in the future, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be sure to give you my review and give you a tour of my refrigerator and a new organizational video of it, because all of my other refrigerator organizational videos are older. They're with the old fridge. So let me know in the comments, okay? So let's get started. So before I tackle any room, I like to do like kind of a checklist or a list of what I want to do, so if I get distracted, I know what I did, what needs to be done, and whatnot. So I have 5 things I want to kind of focus on in the kitchen to prepare for fall. The first thing, clean the walls and ceilings, clean the oven and stove and underneath, which is going to be a challenge because my stove is quite heavy. Clean my windows, and I have 2 windows. I have a large window over there and then the smaller window behind me. I want to give all my cabinets a good wash down from sticky fingers, from s'mores and watermelon this summer, and give my light fixtures and switches a good cleaning as well, just to keep the germs away and viruses and things like that, especially this time of year with flu season around the corner. So those are my 5 main things. Some of them are just going to be quick things, and some of them are going to take a little bit of time. So let's get started.
Okay, first things first, I always like to work from the top all the way to the bottom, and right now I'm just giving all of my ceilings and walls a good cleaning, getting rid of cobwebs, if there's any dust or debris, giving that all a good wipe down so it's nice, fresh, ready to go for the fall. Now it's time to hit all of my light fixtures along with my ceiling fan. I like to remove these because I don't know about you guys, but for some reason in the summertime I get a lot of bugs in here. So they basically get inside my light fixtures, die, and then they have these little spots there, and it drives me bonkers. Does anyone else deal with this? Let me know in the comments below. Now we're going to move on to my light switches and outlets. I go ahead and I use rubbing alcohol to clean this. I feel like it gets all the germos off and it kind of brightens the stainless steel plates. So I am giving them all a good wipe down and disinfecting them to get all the germs off and the stickiness. Moving on to my windows. I have 2 windows in my kitchen and I love to make sure these are super clean before we get into the colder months because it's really hard to get outdoors and clean the outside of the windows just because it's so cold out. So I'm giving these all a good wash and wipe down from the inside. This particular window right here is a little bit of a struggle, so you have to clean it from the outdoors. The other window above my sink is easier because it does remove and you can clean it a little bit better. All right, so moving on to my stove, I had to be very careful when pulling this out because this is a gas stove and it's hooked up to the gas line, but I eventually got it out and I cleaned underneath it really well and disinfected the area along with the sides. After I completed that, I actually cleaned the inside of my ovens. There are 2 ovens and they self-clean, and then basically when they self-clean, I go in and wipe down any of the debris and whatnot. So that is what I am doing here. Finally, we wrap the deep cleaning for fall in the kitchen by cleaning all of the cabinets. I like to clean all the knobs really well and the outdoors of all the cabinets. Most of my cabinets are pretty organized and cleaned inside, and I basically clean those out when I'm ready to declutter or when they are getting a little dingy. So those I do sporadically throughout the year, along with cleaning the outside of them as I'm cleaning each cabinet. If you would like to see a tour of what I store in my cabinets, let me know in the comments. Or if you want any declutter cabinet videos in the future, let me know in the comments as well, and I'll be sure to do that.
I hope you got some inspiration from this video to help encourage you to get your house ready for the fall. I know one thing, I'm exhausted and it is dinner time and I have to get dinner on the table. So go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video or it was inspiring to you and got you motivated to get your kitchen in order for fall. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from me, and I'll talk to you guys real soon. So long.